The main campus of the college is divided into 3 shifts: morning for BCom, day for BA, BSc and BEd, evening for BBA and BCom. And we have another campus at St. Lawrence High School for BCom. St. Xavier's College boasts of the best faculty in the country. Our first guides in the college are our professors. Each subject has a head of department. The subjects are divided amongst 5 departments: BA, BSc, BCom morning, BCom evening and BBA, each of which have their own dean. We have 3 vice principals, one for BA and BSc, one for BCom evening and one for BCom morning and BBA. The administration's representative at the St. Lawrence campus is the academic coordinator. The faculty is headed by Reverend Father Principal and Reverend Father Rector. Navigating a big campus like ours can be difficult early on, thus we would like to make it easy for you. There is a front gate at Park Street and another gate which opens to Short Street. The nearest metro stations are Maidan and Park Street. College is a 10-minute walk from each of the stations. In case you are travelling by bus, you can get down at Park Street, Malik Bazaar or Minto Park depending where you are coming from. Each bus stop is 5 to 10 minutes away from the college. As we enter the front gate, we see the statue of St. Francis Xavier. On the right hand side is Father Debelchin Auditorium and on the left hand side is the chapel. Behind the statue, we have our reception. As we move to the broader flight of stairs, we will find offices of BCom morning and Arts and Science department. The back gate leads us to the ground. The important locations that are closer to the back gate are the National Social Service Office, the ATM, green benches, the free space for Xaverians to work, play and socialize, Father Joris Corner for your stationery, merchandise and photocopy needs, Cyber Room which is equipped with computers, internet, printers and scanners. At the end is the canteen near the smaller flight of stairs that is the most alive place at St. Xavier's even on off days. The first floor houses Father Principal's office. The second floor has a girls' common room that serves the needs of female students. The top floor has a small canteen and an observatory. The library is housed near the backfield. We have only mentioned a few landmarks and you shall discover something new at St. Xavier's every day. We at St. Xavier's are very particular about the dress code. Skirts should be well below knee length. Shirts, t-shirts, tops with captions and writings are disallowed. Only full-length trousers are allowed. Boys should avoid round-neck tees, ear, chin, nose studs. Failure to follow the dress code may lead to strict action. The college prioritizes academics before anything else. For BA and BSc, pass marks for honours and ancillary papers is 40%. And 30% for compulsory papers. In case of failure to obtain pass marks in any of their papers, students have to give an arrear exam in the following year. The BA General pass marks for all papers is 30%. For BCom and BBA, it is 40% for all papers. And same is the case for BMM. Attendance is another priority of the college. A minimum of 75% attendance must be maintained in individual subjects. Students with 60 to 74.9% are liable to pay condonation fees. Attendance below 60% can lead to students being debarred from giving the exam. Apart from the academic credits, you require to secure 4 non-academic credits by participating in college fests, events, workshops. 30 hours of participation is equal to a credit. Out of the 4 non-academic credits, one must be a social credit approved and ratified by the Department of NSS. Failure in completion of credits can lead to delay in awarding of your degree. The St. Xavier's College Student Council is a democratically elected body of student representatives who are in charge of organizing major fests like Zavotsav, XPL, Excelsior, etc. The council is an umbrella organization that takes up student-related issues with the authorities, allowing the system to be more student-friendly. Simultaneously, it plays a part in better implementation of the rules and regulations of the college. It is headed by the principal, who is the president, followed by a deputy president and 2 vice deputy presidents who are professors. The student head at the council is the general secretary, who is elected by the class representatives. The same is the case for the assistant general secretary and working committee members assigned to each department. Each Xaverian is officially a part of the council. Under the council, there are societies like the XCS, XMS, ZAM, NCC, ECOSOC, XFA, and many more, which are either department specific or skill specific. The central location of the college makes you spoiled for choices when it comes to food joints. Delights, Goli Vada Pav, Yummies, Arun Tea Stall, and Chotus are a part of every Xaverian's college life. These are not it, there are many more in the vicinity of the college. The college campus is ragging free. It is a no smoking zone and no posters can be stuck on bulletin boards without the permission of the vice principal. Your college identity card is your gate pass to the campus. Without the ID, no student can enter the campus. In the initial days, you'll be getting a cyber card that will be your ID card for a brief period of time and is thereafter required for using the cyber room. And once you will enter college, you will feel at home. And at the end of your course, you too will believe in the saying, you can take a Xaverian out of Saviors, but you cannot take Saviors out of a Xaverian.